how she taking shots, she ain't scared to shoot. And look at how she dropping low, no parachute. The other girls, I swear that they ain't like you. Your actions like a secret, there's no telling what you might do. And yeah, I heard about your past, but I promise if I'm your man, I could make it last. I could be your last. Next thing you know, we start moving fast. She's a symbol when we kick it at my place, she starts to crash. We on a different level, you can see her step well. When I say she bye, I ain't talking about a farewell, I'm talking about these parties. She better than a villain, kissing on these other women, living life and just chilling. I loved it, but I thought as soon as we progressed, she would love me a little more, maybe drink a little less, only undress in front of me. I wish that someone told me this is what it's gonna be, because soon your means of seduction became the main reason of destruction to everything that we built. At home, I'm all alone. I get a text up on my phone saying heard that you was down your knees like a kilt. I'm thinking nah, it's just a small town. Maybe they just bored, but then again, maybe I ignored what's in my cerebellum. These rumors tend to fly, but instead I just repel them, thinking that I'm Superman. Soldier boy, tell them fuck your friends, they don't help you. Tell me why they just